how to turn off your professional account on your Instagram. So if you had a professional account but you want to switch back to your personal status, it's very easy to do. So you just got to go to your Instagram and go to your profile at the bottom right hand corner. And as you see, I have a professional dashboard and I just want to turn this off. So what you want to do is go to the three bars at the top right corner. And then once this loads, you want to scroll down until it says for professionals, and you want to go to creator tools and controls. From there, you want to scroll down until you see where it says switch account type, and go ahead and switch back to a personal account. So this is going to tell you what you're going to have. We're going to just choose to switch to a personal account. And it might take a little bit of time to update, but once you refresh Instagram, maybe close out the app and restart it, you'll be able to see that your account is just back to a regular personal Instagram account. And that's it.